Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from Genpact and PhonePe. So these two companies are hiring a lot of people nowadays. Also, we have recently done other videos on Genpact recruitments and many people got selected also. So in today's video, we'll be seeing 4 to 5 updates from Genpact and 2 updates from PhonePe. Okay, so if you're interested in watching this content, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So we are going to mainly see fresher recruitment updates in today's video. The first recruitment update we are going to see is from Genpact itself. Okay, so the post name is Process Associate Customer Service. Okay, so this is a customer service related or more a BPO kind of a job. And the minimum qualification they're asking is graduate any discipline. You can see clearly that they have mentioned graduate in any discipline is eligible. Freshers are eligible. Okay, so mainly they are looking for freshers only. So all the freshers who are having minimum graduation can apply here. Okay, preferred qualification is previous experience in customer service, means chat, email, voice. If you have done any of this job, you will get a preference. Okay, otherwise also you can apply. Other than that, they have asked for problem solving skill, analytical skills, understanding. So that is the requirement. Okay, now let us have a look on the location, the date of posting, etc. November 19th is the date of posting. You can see it is a very recent recruitment update. Location is Hyderabad. Currently you can get work from home, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the first update. Here, in order to apply, just click on this apply now icon. Okay, next, the second post we are going to see is process developer recruitment. So there is actually a lot of opening for this post, which is process developer recruitment. Okay, let us have a look on the minimum qualifications. Okay, so here qualification we seek in you is MBA graduate with good knowledge in MS Office. So a lot of people ask me about MBA related job updates or BCom plus MBA related job updates. Here it is, BCom plus MBA graduates or MBA if you are having, you can apply here. So this is actually the preferred qualification. Now let us have a look on the minimum skills and all. So you need to have an excellent communication skill, verbal and written skills, good Excel presentation skills. You need to have a good skill in connecting with people, outstanding PR skills. So that is the requirement. Other than that, if you are a person from an MBA background, you will get more preference. Okay. So the date of posting is again November 19. The location is Jaipur. Okay. So this is the second recruitment we are seeing. And in order to apply, just click on this apply icon. Okay. The third post we are going to see is again for process developer recruitment. Here again, they are looking for people with MBA. Now, the location here is Bangalore is the location. Okay. The next post we are going to see is again from Genpact itself. Here the post name is DG Process Developer AP. Okay. So here the qualification is BCom. See, graduate in commerce, meaningful work experience. They have not asked for any years of experience, but if you are a person from BCom background with some good knowledge in accounting related areas and all, you can definitely apply. Okay. No need to be having 1 year of experience or any years of experience. If you are having good skill or good knowledge, you can definitely apply. Other than that, they have asked for excellent English language skills, written and verbal. Okay. So this is the post of a process developer. If you are interested, if you are from a BCom background, definitely you can apply here. Just click on this apply icon. Okay. Next post we are going to see is again process developer recruitment. This is for Noida location. Again, they are asking MBA qualification. Okay. The last post that we are going to see is again for process developer recruitment itself. It is for Kolkata location. So as I've told you, lot of recruitment is happening for the same post, which is process developer recruitment, and for various locations actually they are hiring. Okay. So mainly Genpact recruitment is for people with any graduation or MBA related recruitments is happening or BCom related. If you are having a minimum degree level qualification or if you are having a minimum graduation, you can apply for these recruitment updates from Genpact. Have you ever felt trapped in your job? So if you are a person who is interested in having a job search or if you are a fresher who is looking for your dream job or your dream package, we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here you can get access to 200 plus leading companies and a lot of startup companies are actually hiring through this platform. The big companies like Urban Company, Upgrad, Meesho, Cred, Razorpay, these companies, and also a lot of startup companies are actually hiring through this platform. So you don't need to pay any money here. You just have to do a simple procedure here to get your dream job in your dream company. So what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called get hired, and the next thing you have to do is you have to book a test slot, and then you have to give a test. If you get a good score in the test, minimum 70%, if you get in your test, you will be hired by the companies. So you don't have to bother about going to the company site and applying multiple times. You just have to give the test and get a good score. That is the only step here, and you will be approached by the companies and you will get your dream package also. So next I'm going to share with you a profile, which is the profile of Tanishq Singh. He actually got placed in a big company and he got 40 lakhs per annum as CTC also. You can also see the domain in which he got placed and also his score. So if you're also interested in getting a good package like him, please do check out the link which I'll be putting in description. Please make use of this free of cost platform. If you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Now the next set of recruitment updates we are going to see is from PhonePe. So it is actually a payment platform. We know that PhonePe is a payment platform, just like Paytm and all. Okay, so here they are recruiting for two different posts. The first one is social media specialist and the second one is subject matter expert. Okay, let's see the post one by one. So social media specialist, let's have a look on the skills required. Okay, again, they are not asking any specific qualification as such. Only they are asking for some skills. So what is actually a social media expert means? You need to be, check the social media. You need to extract the content from the social media, have a comparison. So that is the social media expert job role. Okay. So here they're asking for the key skills: excellent written and verbal communication skill, problem solving skill, documentation and specification, self-motivated, result-oriented, ability to multitask. So this is the skills which they are asking for. Now they have actually given a brief about the job role also. Work alongside dependent teams to complete unresolved issues by creating, developing and implementing an action plan for resolution. Okay, so you have to actually go through various platforms. You have to extract the data. You have to document them. That is the requirement. Okay, so any graduation can apply here also because they have only asked for some basic skills. Okay, so in order to apply, just click on this apply now icon. You can see the links in description. Just apply for this recruitment by clicking this icon. Okay, next post we are going to see is from again PhonePe itself. Subject matter expert is the post or the role name. Let's have a look on the skills required. So great communication skills, good at working with different stakeholders, MS Excel related knowledge you need to have, ability to manage and drive projects, strong knowledge of PhonePe process and customer support techniques. So this is actually a BPO related or a customer service related job role. So you need to have a knowledge in customer support techniques, and also you should be knowing the PhonePe transaction process thoroughly. Okay, so actually nowadays a lot of people is using PhonePe for transactions and all. So you need to have a basic knowledge of how the PhonePe transactions actually happening. Okay, other than that you need to have good communication skills, then problem solving skills, analytical skills, and MS Excel knowledge. Okay, basic things only they are asking for. Okay, now, in order to apply, what you have to do is just click on this apply now icon. Okay, so these are the set of updates which I'm sharing with you through this video. We have seen a lot of updates from Genpact and also two recruitment updates from PhonePe. So a lot of people are actually looking forward to these companies, and nowadays they're actually hiring a lot of people also. So if you are interested in working with any of these companies, this is the right time. You should see the videos and you should check out the links which I'll be putting in description. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please like the video. Also share the video with your friends group and all. And if you want more of this content, please to subscribe to the channel also. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.